Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can buy crypto on Kraken web or desktop. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, you need to be logged in into your desktop app or on the web. And how we can do that? So we will go here to the trade where you will see this chart. So if you don't see like I do, I made in previous video for how to add indicators, I showed you how you can get to this layout, but here I will also show, so in advance, you click on advance and you will have this layout. Now, how to buy crypto? Here at the top left corner, you will see BTC USD. So these are the currency. If you click on that, here you will see bunch of options. So if you select, for example, let's say Solana USDT, it will change here the graph like that. All right, now on here on the right side, you have order form also. So here we will buy basically crypto. So with that or sell. So what you will need to do is select here limit, market, and so on. So if I select market like that, quantity total of 5 USD, it's quantity of 0.0577 Solana. Now I can add also uh, stop loss. So let's say 2% right here, and I can take profit at 15%, something like that, or 50%. And yeah, uh, okay, let's say not enough balance. Okay, 5. So yeah, this is how we can do that. And yeah, what we are need to do now is just place an order and it will be shown right here at the bottom. And this is it. So this is how you can buy crypto on the Kraken desktop app. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the